Hi guys, so I don't normally do videos like these, but I went to Macy's the other day to return some shoes. I had bought 2 pairs of shoes for the Marine Corps ball. I didn't know which one I wanted to keep. And then the necklace I got for it did not work out. I should have tried it on with my dress. So it's funny, she's like, did you wear it? And then I actually had a picture. You guys saw that I wasn't wearing anything on my neck. If you saw the Marine Corps ball pictures that I showed you guys recently. Because the necklace touched the neckline and it just didn't work. It didn't look good. And I'm like, I'm in Vegas. I probably could have bought something else, but it was literally right before the thing was going to happen. So anyway, as I returned those things, I was walking out and Lancome had a gift set. And you guys remember they used to give you something free when you'd spend so much money, but like a certain amount. Well, now it's, pay us this and also buy some other stuff to get this price, which is kind of funny. I've been watching videos about Hermes, and if you want to go buy a Birkin, which I don't care about that, I don't know about that, that's not even anything I'm interested in, or it's out of my league. But you have to spend a certain amount before you can even buy that kind of bag, and they act like they don't have them. So it's kind of like, okay. Anyway, so I thought that was kind of funny. Obviously, this is on a very, very much lower scale. But yeah, so the other thing is I do have affiliates with Macy's there, so I will link this in the description box. That would be an affiliate link, which means I make a small commission for your purchase items to those links. Having said that, I don't think I can link this kit because you have to spend so much to then buy it, so it's a weird way to link it. It's like, you know what I'm saying, with that kind of offer. So I will link these other items, and then if you want to pop in, if you want to use my link, I would appreciate it. You can then grab this other thing, just put it in your cart or whatever, because it will be offered there, right, when you're looking at these other things. But just real quick, I wanted to go through this bundle and see what's in there, but to get there, I picked up some Lancome. Oh, I actually got, okay, one more thing. Juicy tubes. So whenever I was like a teenager, a young adult, I used to always get the Lancome juicy tubes. I'm like, in my opinion, they were like the first ones that came out with something like this. Although obviously they were lip glosses, but like a good one. And what I love about juicy tubes is that they have a really nice smell, but they don't have an ugly taste. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. So when I saw them, I'm like, oh, I haven't bought these in forever. So I already have one in my purse that I grabbed from the kit. So I'll show you the colors. I don't know if they have names. Oh, they do. This tickled pink. So if you just wanted that, I mean, I love them. Honestly, I don't want to waste them, but they smell like, kind of like watermelon-y, but a very light scent. I just always remember them having just a really nice scent and then not annoying, right? So I already took the one out, but let's try out the other two. So that one is just kind of more of a color, right? It's like thicker. And then these guys are shimmers. This is Magic Spell. And then the other one. So, and then these are cute. Not really my colors, but they could be, Even the salesperson's like, well, it's a little this or that or whatever. I don't know. She's trying to offend me as far as that. So she was being very delicate about it. I'm like, no, it's fine. I really just want, because they're cute. But maybe I can give the others to my mom. I said, my family, everyone's different colors. So I'm sure it'll work for somebody. Marshmallow Electro is this one. It's also shimmery. I know the other one you can barely see, and also, again, obviously my skin tone makes it look different, but that's really pretty. And again, sorry about this little scar I'm getting. I need to put my bio oil on that. Okay, so these are, I'll show you a close-up of the others in just a moment. Again, these little lipsticks, I just thought they were so cute, guys. Look at that. Aren't they adorable? I just thought they were too cute. So, again, if I can even read that, tiny. This is number 210, Unspoken Feelings. But look how cute. Honestly, look how creamy that is. Really nice. Shade. And she's like, oh, and then you can put the lip gloss on top of it and it'll change the shade. I'm like, oh, that's a good idea. This one is French Tea? French Tea, 274. I'll put it on this side. Again, that one's more of a coral. I don't know. Oh, and I already don't remember which one I used. Let's see. And then this one is, okay, we already did that one. Hush Hush, number 320. I know there was one that I was like, definitely not for me. But I don't remember which one it was. Actually, they're not too bad. And then she's like, honestly, your lips are a little darker than your skin tone, so they're going to look different even at that. And I'm like, okay. But to me, I kind of like, I don't know, we'll make it work. But those are so pretty. Let me cover that up. So there you go. Let me clean my hand and I'll be right back. We'll open this guy. Oh, one other thing. I got the, just because I haven't tried their Idol Lash Mascara. volumizing mascara, it says. All right, it's not easy to wash off. It's still kind of, you know, like on there because it's like viscous stuff. So that's good, I guess. Okay, let's open this up. I am super excited to check this out. I love the train case, or like the makeup kit, you know, case. I don't know. It says items inside gift set may appear different than photographed. Oh wow, that already looks different to me. I thought it was going to be like a silky kind of thing, but it's more like metallic. So there you go. So yeah, this is $79 when you spend $42 or something like that. And look at, there's a beautiful little handle here. So like I said, I got it at Macy's. I know at Macy's for sure they're having this thing. I think Lancome themselves has it, and they'll probably have it at Ulta also. Sorry if the camera's freaking out. But again, I'll link the items that I showed you, and then you can throw this in your cart when you're there. The Lancome, very cute. It has a nice sturdy feel. Of course, the beautiful like flower look, right? Like that rose that they always have. It's kind of like a puffy feel. This is really pretty, honestly. You know, a lot of times with these kinds of things, like, oh, they were like a free gift or whatever. Obviously, you paid for this one. This looks really nice. Like, if you know somebody that loves Lancome or loves makeup, or, you know, they're gonna love this. Are you kidding me? This is gorgeous. I don't know if you can only get one per purchase, or if you can, after you do the 42, maybe you can buy 3 of them. Like, I don't know. But let's check this out. Oh my gosh, everything in here is so nice. I don't want to mess it up. And that's the other thing. Once you get rid of this, you're just gonna throw everything in there. But I have plenty more items that can fit in here. So let me see if I can. Yeah, that one comes out nicely. The Cream Radiance. Gentle cleansing creamy foam with rose and lotus flower extract. Sounds good. Cream to foam cleanser. Oh, it's so funny. When I had tried things on my hand like that, Lily said, oh, here, I'll get you something to clean that off. And she came back with like this cream, and it came off like in like a snap. And I was like, what is that? She just laughs. She should have told me what it was, because I don't know if it was something like this, because it does say Cream Radiance. It might have been this stuff, to be honest. It just looked like cleaned so well. I was like, wow, okay. I'm not even going to pull this out. Sorry, guys. This is Double Action Eye Makeup Remover. I used to use the bifacial all the time, or bifacial, I don't know. I probably said it wrong, right? It's French, you guys, it's French. This stuff I really like, and it does to remove your eye makeup pretty well. I don't know if it's the best one. That's what I'm trying to think, because it's been a long time, but it works, right? And it's not like you have to rub forever. Advanced Genifique. I don't use things like this yet, and that's actually one of the reasons I even got this, because I was like, I need to start using this stuff, supposedly. Remember the lady on the cruise, the masseuse basically guilted me about not putting anything in my face, and, you know, anyway, she said I need to start using something. So we have the Youth Activating Concentrate. Oh yeah, we need to activate that youth. And then this is the eye one, right? Yeah, well, yeah means eyes, so I'm assuming this is the eye one. Genifique, yeah. Okay, I took French for like 8 years when I started. I think I started in 4th grade, 5th grade, up until college. So it was longer than that, maybe 8 years. But yeah, so there you go. That's the eye cream. And then this is a peptide cream, anti-age, high-performance anti-aging cream. Okay, so I guess we're using these things together. I'll have to read about morning and night and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so I was going to say, when I got this, they also had other mascara that was like white that you put on first, I guess. And so that's basically what this is. Seal Booster. Seal is like eyelash, C-I-L-S. Seal Booster XL. Okay. Lancome Defensils, which is the one I used to always use. Defensils was the one that I used to just use all the time, my other mascara. So it's kind of interesting. This one is a different one. So I want to try that out. Oh, and then it has La Vie est Belle spray. It's this little guy. Let me see something. Yeah. So on the cover here, I didn't even notice that, to be honest. So that's cool. Everything else looks just about what they're showing us. Okay. And then let's try to get this out. I don't want to damage things. That's weird. Okay. I was like, I'm pushing in and I can push it. Don't do that, because it's going to want to, you know what I'm saying? Well, I don't think it'll get damaged, but I guess it wouldn't matter. So that's how you open the lipstick. I haven't bought a Lancome lipstick in forever, so if that's what they're doing nowadays, I like it. That's fun. It probably costs more because of that, right? Oh, this is a pretty color. It's Unspoken Feelings. Funny enough, on this one, Unspoken Feelings is the one that I thought would go best with my skin tone, and so I like to see it here. Again, they try to include a color that works for most people. So apparently that is a color that's good for that, because in my mind, that's the one that I really liked out of this little set. Okay, so let's open this guy up. And you have this eye thing. And then, of course, after buying this, I'm like, I used to love getting the little free gifts whenever you spend a certain amount. Just because, or my mom would get them, right, when we were kids, and then she'd just let me have like the little lipstick or like the little eyeshadow. It always came with some kind of like a little eyeshadow kit. Beautiful. It has that same feel. This one feels, I don't know, it's a different material, but it has the same kind of look, right? It's really, really pretty, guys. And I'm getting fingerprints all over it, of course. And it's the Lancome Holiday 2024 Rose Gold Palette, limited edition. All right, so let's open this guy up and check it out. So he has a big mirror. I'm not going to take it off because then you're going to see me. I just woke up. And obviously you're going to peel that off. You have your big mirror there. And just really beautiful colors. This is very typical, in my opinion, of the colors they used to always kind of include in these little free sets. Because, like, you know, not everyone can pull off blue or, like, these other kind of out there colors. And it was always very plummy and mauvey, and, like, maybe a black might be mixed in there so you can use that as, like, an eyeliner or whatever. But these are really pretty colors. I don't really want to dip my finger in here, but let's... Oh, that's one thing that it doesn't have. It doesn't have tools, right? You usually include like a little something. Let me turn my hand this way. Sorry about that. So again, that's very light. You can barely see it. But it does have that shimmer. Let's try this one. I was going to say, I know this one's going to show up better. Yeah, I mean, so pretty. Let me try one more, like, see how pigmented this one is. It's really creamy, you guys. Oh my gosh. It's not powdery, you know? That's so nice for like a little accent in the corners. But yeah, really pretty. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Sorry I wasn't the best hand model. My hands have been taking a beating recently. But again, if you're interested, I will link the items that I showed you guys. And it might be embedded in here. It's with YouTube, their affiliate program. So that's actually the only place I can pop it in, because with YouTube affiliates, it's images that are embedded in the video, or down underneath here might say shop, but I can't get like a description one, like the one I usually clicky kind. So it's kind of interesting the way they do it. So it'll definitely be embedded in the video, or down under the word shop maybe, or shop products or something like that. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for supporting the channel. I will, yeah, have those linked, and I will see you real quick. Sorry, the handle, it's really, really cute, and it kind of pops up this way when you want to grab that, but it recesses back. All right, see you at the next one. Bye now.